Uganda oye! Uganda oye! Your Excellency, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, Your Excellency, Head of State and Government, distinguished guests, great people of Uganda, Wariyorcha. It is a profound honor and a singular joy for me to stand before you today alongside the distinguished guests gathered here on this great day in the history of the Republic of Uganda. Beyond the beginning of a new presidential mandate, your election, Your Excellency President Museveni, stands as a powerful affirmation of the underlying peace, stability, and institutional continuity that Uganda has cultivated over the years. Your Excellency, your renewed mandate comes at a defining moment for our beloved Africa continent. By inaugurating this new term under the theme Securing the Gains and Advancing Towards a Prosperous and Emerging Nation, you have once again demonstrated your steadfast patriotism, visionary leadership, and unwavering commitment to the progress of Africa as a whole. Your Excellency, we have followed with admiration the remarkable transformation Uganda has achieved under your stewardship. During the years of your leadership, your nation has undergone profound progress in the field of security, social cohesion, and economic development. Through sustained economic growth, strategic investment in infrastructure, and policies aimed at reducing poverty and improving livelihoods, Uganda has steadily
Wabo bose mubona bari bameze nkatwe none barahindutse bameze nk'abazungu baraguza imiduga be n'amapikipiki kuko bashishikaye bashize kumwete umvise kugura ipikipiki n'umuduga utakoze ngo nuko wize gusa none nkubodekwa yoja ngahi gashinyiriza amenye imbere yanje tuvugana ukuri mugabo hoya nyari cyubahiro mukuru w'igihugu wahehe gashinyiriza amenyo nyari cyubahiro uri kurica bene igihugu ndagiye gacuje imbere yanje guri kuratwenga umuntu abonekera ku camwa yama nk'ubicamwa cy'abantu bose bari mu rwego rw'ikawa turababonye ntimusubire kuza murashinya amenyo rero murazoshinya mu mwaka uza mutweretse ko byahindutse ko dutegereza kubihindura no munsi muri umugambi abari mu gisata c'ikawa bagize umurimyi atahane zero bo batahane imifuko yuzuye atarakiwe bakora bigicariye ga kudekuraje umurimyi nta wace muri odeka numwe arumweranda ubu narababonye ko nagize ankete burya kugira ndinde nzana iyi equipe nigenda mu ndabire nuko byose nari ndabifise muga murazi gukorompa ico nabonye muraca hose mu bakadwe bose dore tumwe wese mugabo mayi none office miliyoni 40 z'amadolari Uburundi bwo ntiwo bugura nabonye abarundi bakunda amahera ubwiye umwuka muha miliyoni 200 utigenda wewe urashobora kuvugana n'umukuru w'igihugu mubwire ko bijya vuga rifo